KintaMani.
Hello, my KintaManis! This is a very scary spider. Would you like to make a very scary spider? Let's go do it together! For this, we need cotton, sticks for legs and hands, googly eyes, glue and scissors. Spiders can be a bit scary, but we will make a silly spider. Let's make the spider's head first. For this, we take 6-7 pieces of cotton ball. If you want to make it more bigger or smaller, you can increase or decrease the cotton. It depends on you. We wrap the yarn over the cotton balls. Let's try not leave any white space. We have to tighten it up a bit. Imagine that you are making a ball. Wow, look how beautiful it was. It looks like a ball. Funny. Now we are preparing the body of the silly spider in the same way. The body should be slightly smaller than the head. For the body of the spider, I use 50 pieces of cotton ball. I start to twist the cotton with yarn in the same way. And here it is ready at the body of the spider. Now the spider's head and body are ready. What do you think we should do? Yes, of course we have to connect the head and body. I will use yarn. I cut a long piece of yarn and fasten it to the body as shown. Then I fasten it to the head. Our spider is almost ready. That black color looks like an iceman. This is funny. Let's place our googly eye. I will use 7 eyes. You can decrease or increase. We need glue to attach the eyes. Well done. Oh my goodness, silly spider. He has many eyes. Finally, we need to make the hands and feet of the spider. I will cut 3 of these sticks for the left and 3 for the right. I will fasten 2 pieces in the head part. These sticks are flexible so they can place easily. This is how I fold and attach the head. I cut a long piece of yarn to hold and move the spider. And I attach it to the waist of the spider. And your spider is ready. He was very beautiful. With this string, you can hang it from your home as a Halloween decoration. If you want to see more Halloween decor videos, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching.